in this one. This was the last time we really started to get involved in any cryptos at that stage as a buyer. And obviously it had been dropping quite significantly from that point because we'd seen it going up to a high price way up here. And obviously this was a very, very, very big pullback trade. So we started to buy into this 100 level again, and we'd seen obviously in the past that the 100 level seemed to be providing quite a nice level of support for buyers coming in, and every time it traded this 100, look at the size of the volume that was coming in, Jack, see it? So we started to buy some hundreds in here, and that was the Ether trade, and obviously it exploded shortly after, well, when I say shortly, a year later, obviously it did pretty good business because it went from, obviously it went from 100 all the way up to 4,400. So obviously an enormous profit for $100 product, you know. Well, it really is. I mean, it's a volume trade, Jack. I mean, it's got to be a volume trade, hasn't it? So you can see that this is just a crazy outcome. And you know, you get this explosive move away from this, and it's difficult to know exactly, but you can see where exactly it starts to kick in, because you can see the buyers just start to become a little bit tired up here, and you can start to see that decline in the volumes. So you can see that decline in volumes creeping into the book here, and you can start to recognize, well, is this it? Is that it? Price stops moving higher, and obviously that's pretty much the end of the game at that stage. The transfer to the bag holders is completed. You've gone up to 4,000, and it's sold from 4,200, and obviously gave you a great opportunity to buy some at around about the 2,000 level. You know, you can see that that's the last buy, that's the last commercial buy trade level there was 2,000. So it gave you a great chance to buy back in at 2,000 and try it again. Buy back in and try it again, and that's a nice outcome. I mean, to be complete, I've bought a few coins that have gone to zero. So I mean, you take some and you win some. You know what I mean? In a market like that, it doesn't actually make any difference because you know it could easily go to zero. It could be worth absolutely nothing. So yeah, I bought some that I think I bought two that went to, well, they didn't go to zero. It went to like a 1 millionth of a cent or something stupid. You know, you could obviously load up with 1 trillion of those coins, but you're probably not going to do very well.